Ah, fuck, that's fine. Plate. Sandwich. Oh, my eye hurts. Okay. I don't really know how to do this. Because believe it or not, the unmaking of a sandwich is actually not that easy. Especially seeing as, how the fuck do you unmake a sandwich? Good place to start would be to get rid of the tuna. Just like that. Then you take the tomatoes off. And the avocado. Now you put the bread in the toaster. I was really lazy today and didn't make a lunch. So I got my brother to make me lunch. But instead of bringing it to me disassembled to the house, he bought it finished. Also yogurt. Fuck. Everybody's talking about the new thing. Anyway, that was me disassembling and then reassembling a sandwich. I'm way too lazy to make the sandwich today. Don't worry, I'll do a lunch vlog tomorrow.